Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hi all. As I told you in the earlier video, in this video you are going to see how to do multiplication of two terms with different powers using the laws of indices from algebra. Would like to take the first example as 4a power 2 times 3a to the power of 3. So first what you do is take the numbers, that is we call it as coefficients. You multiply those two coefficients first of all in a normal way, and then when you are multiplying the variables which is having the same basis with different powers, you apply the indices rule. You know why I am writing this a power 2 plus 3? Because we know a to the power of m times a to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m plus n according to the first law of indices. So using this, 4 times 3 is going to be 12 times a to the power of 5. I think you are able to follow. So therefore the final answer of the simplified part is going to be 12 a to the power of 5. Hope you are clear with my first example based on the concept which we took. I would like to do one more question for you people to have a better idea. Would like to take a complex question again, but this time I am taking for more than one variable in one term. So let's take a question like this. Let's start. As usual, as I told you, focus on the coefficients. These are called as coefficients. First you multiply these two normally and then get inside each and every term using the laws of indices. The next term which I am going to take is a power 2 multiplied by a power 3. A power 2 multiplied by a power 3 can be written as a power 2 plus 3. Then take the variable b. I told you whenever you don't have any power, it is called as 1. So do b power 1 multiplied by b power 2. Again it is nothing but b power 1 plus 2. What is the basic rule I am using from the indices? Again here is a power m times a power n is always nothing but a power m plus n. Use the basic law of indices. Then now 2 times 4 is going to be 8 times a to the power of 2 plus 3 is 5 times b to the power of 1 plus 2 is 3. So as I told you, you don't have to leave it like this. You bring it into the, because avoid the multiplication signs, and then you write it, because this is the final way of writing the answer. I think you people have understood how to do it when you are going to multiply two different terms, one with single variable, other one with the multiple variables. I am going to take further example problems from the same concept what we did earlier, but this time with increasing the level of examples. Let's do it. I would like to take the first example from here as 2p to the power of 2 to the power of 3. Now, what is the meaning of it? You can see there are two terms are there inside the bracket. One is 2, other one is p power 2, and if you write like this in a bracket and you give it as a power 3, the meaning of that is each and every term inside the bracket should be cubed. So first we will understand that part and we will cube it. So that means the meaning of that part, this part will be 2 power 3 times p power 2 to the power of 3. This is the meaning. Actually, this is how you have to split it first. 2 power 3, you know what is it? You can check with the calculator and you can put it. It is nothing but 8 times. When you come to this part, the law of indices you are going to apply here is third law. A power m to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of mn. So apply this law and you get this as p to the power of 2 times 3, which leads you to 8 times p to the power of 6. Hope you are clear with this. Now let's move on to the next example question from here. Four m to the power of 2 n to the power of 3 the whole power 2. How to handle when it is going to have more than 2 terms. 4 is one term, m power 2 is another term, n power 3 is a third term. All are under the square. What is the basic meaning of it? The meaning of this part is 4 power 2 times m squared to the power of 2 times n cubed to the power of 2. This is the basic meaning. As I told you already, here the law of indices which we are applying here is a to the power of m to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of mn. This is the law, which is third law I am using here. Come on. What is 4 to the power of 2? It is 16. Times it by m to the power of, applying this law, we will multiply the powers, which is n power 6. Therefore, 16 times m power 4 n power 6. This is the simplified part of the given answer. Hope you are all clear with this concept after watching this video. Now let's see further next level of doing algebraic indices complex problems in the next video.